The Valley News Live First Alert Storm Team has issued a weather alert day.
We are looking at a big storm system hitting us starting tonight and especially into Thursday. That's when we have our first alert weather day. And we did just get, this is an update here, just a few minutes ago, a winter storm watch issued for us here in the Red River Valley. Many of us included in this light bluish purple color here. Grand Forks, Fargo included, parts of Lakes Country. Some of our viewers in the east, not so much. That's where we may end up with a little more rain than snow, though we still do have a chance for some snow here. And then a winter weather advisory in the James River Valley for the potential for snow there. So again, we're looking at some heavy snowfall coming our way. We'll talk more about that coming up, but we also want to talk about river levels. We've got river flood warnings and overland flood warnings in some spots in the Southern Valley ongoing this morning and stretching up to the north as well. So lots of water working its way through the system at the moment. Here's a look at some of our levels right now. This is the Red River at Fargo, and notice this. We had a big drop last night, sudden drop. We are expecting it to rise yet again. Likely something going on upstream. We've seen some drops upstream as well in the Hickson area and the Enlow area as well. So there may be a little bit of a log jam going on or maybe an ice jam happening or was happening at that point. You can see we're just starting to see it tick back up. So it looks like the water's trying to make its way back through here. But something to watch out for, especially as we are starting that water moving through the system. We tend to get these events from time to time. And this is going to go back up, and we're going to see it reach major flood stage as we continue on into the forecast here. And of course, that crest still looking like around 31 feet in Fargo toward the end of the week. Wild rice at Abercrombie, we've been dropping as well after initially cresting, still in moderate flood stage, but that's going to go back up. And the reason why we're expecting this big rise is because of the system we just told you about. We're getting more rain and snow working its way through the system here. And here's a look at that liquid precipitation potential. This is from today through Friday night, and anywhere in yellow here, that's 1 to 2 inches of liquid water. That means rain, mix, or snow once it's melted down. So the good thing about the snow is that it'll get slowed down at working its way through the system if we get that. The rain, that's going to move through pretty quickly, so something to watch out for here. And speaking of, we've got both happening right now. Some isolated to scattered areas of rain and snow this morning. Some in Lakes Country starting to get a little more substantial there, back over through Bemidji. The bigger area of precipitation has been over into parts of eastern Foster County, back into Griggs and Nelson County, and we did have a couple of lightning bolts for a time with this one, so some rumbles of thunder may be waking you up there. Expanding the view, more of this coming our way. You could see the precipitation out to the west. Here's our temperatures right now, 30s to even 40 in Fargo, so still pretty mild. Will be mild today. Wind will be brisk too. Steady speeds right now into the teens. We'll get those gusts picking up as we work our way through the day, 20s and 30-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Now, we'll see some sun mixed in with those clouds, and where we have that, there may be that chance for a little bit of rain, more likely rain into the afternoon because our temperatures will be milder. As we head into that 4 o'clock hour, you could see 40s to some 50s at that point. So still pretty mild temperature-wise, but more cloud cover building in and more chances for some rain. You could see it really taking over for late tonight, especially in the south and east. As we continue on into the day tomorrow, here comes the rain and snow. And again, I just want to make this point clear. Anywhere where this band sets up, that's where we're looking at that heavy snowfall, and that could shift. It could be right over Fargo, it could be west, and if that's the case, Fargo would end up more into that slushy kind of precipitation, and the totals would be a lot lower, and same goes for anywhere else in the valley, so something to be aware of. Here's a look at that 7-day planner. Again, tomorrow going to be a messy day, and into Friday we're going to see that start to wind down. This weekend, getting a break on Saturday with another system on Sunday.
Okay, it's going to be a wild week here.
Sure
Thank you,
is.
Lisa. Well,